Hello everyone, we have celebrity of the evening Suman Nagarkar right here with us. The beautiful, charming Kannada actress is right here celebrating New Year right here with us. Welcome to Your India TV and Happy New Year.
Thank you. Same to you. Happy New Year to you all too.
So what's your New Year's resolution?
I don't make resolutions because resolutions are meant to be broken, right? So I don't want to make any resolution, but my motto always is to be good, be fit and healthy and happy. That's it.
So we are your long time fans from 90s and early 2000s through now. You've been so popular, especially in the Kannada cinema. So tell us a little more about your more recent movies like Babru and Brahmi.
So Babru was the first Kannada film completely made in the US. Till now, nobody had done that. So through our production house, Suman Nagarkar Productions, we made Babru with all the Kannadigas and other language actors too and technicians. We made the first Kannada film here completely. So, and Brahmi is another film from Suman Nagarkar Productions, and that is completely made in India. Wow! And that is yet to be released.
Shankane. ಅವಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇರಲಿ.
ಒಂದೇ ಸರಿ ಮೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಕಳೆದ 2 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಐ ನೋ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಹರ್.
ನಾನು ಕೆಳಗಿರೋ ಆಂಟಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು.
ಐ ವಿಶ್ ಮಾಯಾ ಸೆಸ್ ಎಸ್.
ಅಷ್ಟೇನಾ?
ನೋಡ್ರಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾಗ್ಯ, ಇಂಥ ಕಾರಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ ಡ್ರೈವ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಚಾನ್ಸು ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ? ನೋ ಚಾನ್ಸ್.
ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್, ನಮ್ಮ ಗಾಡಿ ಅದು.
How does it feel, taking a little break and then being back with a third?
Yeah, it always feels good because once you face the camera, once you're in front of the camera, you don't even feel like, oh, you had taken a break. So it feels amazing. Always feels great to be in front of the camera.
So, my friends have great memories of Nishkarsha. They are big time fans of your times when you were really young and an aspiring, budding artist. So tell us some good memories of those times and Nishkarsha and Belandigala Bale. Although I know your image was not there in Belandigala Bale.
But even today I'm called Belandigala Bale because that movie was an epic for that time. Nobody could even think, including the writer himself, nobody could think that could become a very interesting movie. So I'm always called as Belandigala Bale. And I was very, very choosy about what movies I would do. So whatever I have done till now, people still remember those roles, and people really appreciate that, and I'm very glad about that.
One of the films in which you played a negative role, and we also saw Bhagyashree in that movie.
Oh yeah.
So share some memories and how was it playing something bad?
Oh yeah, negative roles I feel are more challenging because you can, in real life also you'll always be a good person, so it's very easy, but to play a negative character is definitely challenging, and I had a very wonderful time, and the acting experience with Bhagyashree was also very good. She was very friendly and we had a great time.
ಅವನಿ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
ಬಿಂದು, ಯಾರು ಇವರೆಲ್ಲ?
ಅದೇ ಕಣ, ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ವಾ ರಾಣಿನ್ ಲವ್ ಮಾಡು, ಇವಳು ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇವಳು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಹೊಡ್ಸಕ್ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾಳೆ ಅಂತ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಹೊಡೆದಾಟ ಆಟಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬಂದಿರೋದು, ಆದ್ರೆ ಹೊಡಿಯೋದಕ್ಕಲ್ಲ, ಹೊಡ್ಸ್ಕೊಳಕ್ಕೆ.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ
ಇವ್ರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ನಾನು 500 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇವರೆಲ್ಲ ರಾಣಿನ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ಬಡವ್ರ ಮನೆ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು.
ಕತೆ ಇಲ್ದೇ ಇರೋರ್ ಜೊತೆ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಬೆಳೆಸ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಬಂದ ಮೇಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. ಏನ್ ಸುಮ್ನೆ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ನಿಂತಿದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ, ಬೇಗ ಹುಡುಗನ್ ಕರೆಸಿ.
ಗಿರಿಜಾ, ಬಾಬಾ.
ಸಖತ್ತಾಗಿ ಆಟ ಆಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕು.
So who's your favorite actor so far, you know, with who you have enacted and you really think, yes, I want to do more with him?
See, my most favorite actor at that time was, of course, Dr. Rajkumar. You all know, you know. Of course, I never got to work with him, but my first movie was under his production. And then Anantnag is one of my all-time favorites, and my Beladingala Bale movie was with him and spent a lot of time together. And many people don't even know that Anantnag is a very, you know, is a great singer. So, you know, we had some good times there. And of course, I've acted in all, you know, with popular actors and directors. So that's definitely a great experience.
ಓಹೋ ಕೊನೆಗೆ ಹೊಡೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ.
ರೆಡ್ ಏನೋ ಹೊಡೆದಿ, ಈಗ ಫಾಲೋ ಹಾಕು ನೋಡೋಣ.
ಏನು ಫಾಲೋ ಹಾಕದ? ಈಗ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡು. ಅಯ್ಯೋ ನಿನ್ನ ಕೋತಿ ತರ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ತಡಿ. ಏಯ್ ನಿಂತ್ಕೋ, ಅಲ್ಲೇ ನಿಂತ್ಕೋ, ಬೇಡ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳು ನಮ್ಮ. ನಿಂತ್ಕೋ, ಬೇಡ.
ಏನ್ ಬಾಲು ಇದೆಲ್ಲ?
ಅದು ಅದು ಈ ಕೋತಿ.
You're also a renowned singer. You also teach. I know you've been taking lessons in USA. Yeah. So tell us a little more about your singing background. What is the dancing background? Because actresses are more supposed to dance.
I know, but I'm not a dancer. I'm very clear about it. I think that's my only, I wouldn't say negative point, but definitely not a great answer. I can somehow manage to get some steps, but can't tag. But yes, I have trained in Hindustani classical music, and I used to sing for All India Radio in Bengaluru. You know, I used to sing Kannada light music and all that, and I used to teach Hindustani classical here in the US. But right now, because I got back into acting, I had to take a break from teaching. But that was teaching was a very different experience, and as teachers, I feel, you know, we get to learn more, so that really helped me.
So can we have 2 lines of one of your favorite songs?
Okay. What language do you want that in?
Kannada is good.
Okay. ಈ ಬಾನು ಈ ಚುಕ್ಕಿ ಈ ಹೂವು ಈ ಹಕ್ಕಿ, ಈ ಬಾನು ಈ ಚುಕ್ಕಿ ಈ ಹೂವು ಈ ಹಕ್ಕಿ, ತೇಲಿ ಸಾಗುವ ಮುಗಿಲು ಹರುಷಾವುಕಿ, ಯಾರು ಇಟ್ಟರು ಇವನು ಹೀಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ತುದಿ ಮೊದಲು ತಿಳಿಯದೆ ನೀಲಿಯಲಿ, ಈ ಬಾನು ಈ ಚುಕ್ಕಿ ಈ ಹೂವು ಈ ಹಕ್ಕಿ, ಈ ಬಾನು ಈ ಚುಕ್ಕಿ ಈ ಹೂವು ಈ ಹಕ್ಕಿ. This song is Kannada light music, which is all about nature. So ee banu ee chukki ee hu ee hakki means, you know, the star, the sky, everything. So it's about nature.
ತ್ಯಾಗಕ್ಕೆ ತಾನೆನ್ನುವ ತಾಯಿಗೆ
more about your movie Namura Mundara Hove.
Namura Mandara Huve was completely filmed in the North Canara district, Karnataka district in Karnataka. So that was a very different movie, and of course this was also directed by Sunil Kumar Desai. I have worked with him in 3 movies, and in this movie I acted as Ramesh Arvind's sister, and I also acted with Shivraj Kumar and Prema. I play a sister's role, but a very important role and a very challenging role.
ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಪ್ರಯಾಣ ಅಲ್ಲ?
ಫ್ಯಾಂಟಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್.
ಕೂಸೆ, ಮನೋಜ್, ನನ್ನ ತಂಗಿ ಸುಧಾ.
ಇದು ಕೂಸ?
ಹೇಯ್, ನಮ್ ಕಡೆ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಕೂಸೆ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ.
ಹೌದಾ? ಹಾಯ್ ಕೂಸೆ.
How did you meet your husband Gurudev, who is also a film producer?
He turned film producer pretty recently, but I've known him for a very long time. In fact, we are celebrating our 22nd anniversary today, Jan 1st. So,
Wow, congratulations!
yeah, but we knew each other as family friends, and we were very good friends, and then decided to get married. But recently when we did Babru, he kind of took his career break. He used to work in software, and he took a break and decided to produce this movie.
ಹಲೋ, ನಾನು ನಾಳೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಯಾಕೆ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಯು ನಾಟ್ ಡನ್ ಇನಫ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ?
ನನ್ನ ಮಾತು ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೋ. ಐ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಟಾಕ್ ಟು ಯು. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್.
ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋದು ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳು.
ಹಲೋ.
How was your experience at San Francisco State University?
Oh yeah, I did some introduction to filmmaking classes, and you know, that was at the very initial stages of my coming to the US. So I had taken introduction to filmmaking, and one interesting aspect is, as Indians in Indian schools and colleges, we always address our teachers by sir, as sir or ma'am or something, right? And here my experience was very different. I had a teacher whose name was James Culp, and everybody used to call him Jim. But I was, always calling him sir, and he used to say, no, please call me Jim. And I would tell him, no, I'm from India, and it's very hard for me to call my professors by name. But he insisted on me calling him Jim, and initially I felt very, very awkward, but then you get used to it.
ದೇಶವೇ ಉದ್ಧಾರವಾದಂತೆ
ನನ್ನನ್ನೇ ಮದುವೆಯಾಗೆ
ಈ ತಮಡಪ್ಪ ಮಡಗಿದ ಮುಹೂರ್ತ ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ತಪ್ಪಂಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ನೀನ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಓದಿದ್ರೆ ಹೀಗಾಗ್ತ್ಯಾ, ಅದನ್ನ ಓದಿದ್ರೆ ಹಾಗಾಗ್ತ್ಯಾ ಅಂತ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕನಸುಗಳನ್ನ ತುಂಬೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗಂತೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
So how would you compare making a movie in India versus making here in US?
I think both have challenges and good experiences too. Like here, we were a very small crew, but we are very proud to say we did a very good movie. But we were at a time like 8 to 10 people working on everything, and it was kind of very different experience, but absolutely amazing experience filming here. But in India, what happens is you have all the support, right? The support system is there. So there, I think it's a little different making movies.
Wonderful. We will continue to be fans of your movies. We will continue to see your work. Any projections for now, like what is coming next?
So I have acted in a few movies. I've acted about in 5-6 movies are ready for release, and I'm also acting in a few other projects.
So this is a beautiful event by Bollywood Events and the non-profit Indian Arts and Cultural Association, and you've been closely working with them. So what's your take on the organizers and this party?
Oh, it feels amazing. I mean, this is the first time I'm attending this event, and Keshava followed up with me, and he was very, very good with the approach and the information, everything. And I'm glad to be here. And one important thing, very interesting, I should say, is today I had to come here, but as everybody knows, it was pouring like crazy, and we lost power at home, and I had to get ready with my mobile flashlight and all. So I will never forget this event because we started out of homes, and there are only two roads getting out of that place. And then both roads were blocked, so I was not even sure how I would be able to make it here, but I'm glad I'm here, and I'm sure I'll have a wonderful time.
God will continue to shower His blessings on you. We look forward to more of your productions. Keep, giving out the great work you have been doing to all your fans, and keep celebrating Happy New Year again from all the viewers of Yo India TV.
Thank you, and stay happy, stay healthy, stay fit, and let it be a very great year for you and you as well. Thank you.
मिट जाए हम बोलो सुबह शाम हरे कृष्ण हरे राम हरे कृष्ण